What's up, guys? So in this video we're at the Westville Mall in Santa Monica and we're about to go to Eataly, which is an Italian food court in LA where you get a bunch of Italian food. So let's do it. Kim here is a local, so she is our host for today. Can you give us a little introduction on what Eataly is?
It has amazing food, amazing pasta, amazing wine.
Where's Eataly?
Huh?
Where is it?
I don't know. We're here.
There's a bunch of stuff in here. Can you explain to us the dynamics of this place?
They have wine, cheese, seafood. There's like a pasta and pizza bar over there, over here. You can, buy groceries, like amazing supplies, amazing cheese. You can make a cheese board here if you want, with cheese and salami, for some meat. Huh? Like a fancy farmer's market.
This is what we were chosen, guys. This place, La Pizza a la Pasta. Out of the many pasta pizza stores, shops. Alright, so we just got seated here at La Pasta and Pizza. Pretty sure that means the pasta and pizza. And that's the, I guess, main restaurant here in Eataly. We're about to get some fine eats. Cheers to Dan versus the world. We're about to get it in at Eataly. Let me fill you in on what we got, guys. So we got the arancini, which is rice, pork, and beef ragu on mozzarella. Quattro formaggi pizza. That is just basically a really cheesy pizza. And then we got the special, the tagliatelle. That one is highlighted on here. It's a bolognese pasta. And yeah, la pizza, la pasta. The bread, olive oil, and wine. See? Alright, guys, our first dish is here. The 4-cheese pasta. About to try it. Go ahead, Elias. Ooh, it's really cheesy. It's dripping. It's dripping in cheese and oils, guys. Cheers. Oh my god. Super cheesy. Comment down below if you guys think pineapple belongs on pizza or not. I personally like pineapple.
You like pineapple?
Yes. What? This pizza is pretty delicious. Look how cheesy this is. Essential oils. It's so cheesy, it tastes like you're just eating oil on the pizza. It's like what's the word? Moist. Our second dish here, guys. Their most popular pasta here. This is like a fried meatball thing. I forgot what it's called. It's their appetizer. Let's dig in. We're gonna try their most popular pasta, the bolognese. Let's do it.
Oh my god.
Pasta is really thick here. It's really good.
Freshly made over here.
Freshly made, apparently.
So good.
Let's try these little anti-pasta meatballs. They have like pork and beef inside them.
Rice.
And rice. Ooh. It's cheesy. It's cheesy. Really crunchy too. Can't forget, you gotta wash down all the pasta with some vino. I think my favorite so far is the appetizer, those little rice, pork, and beef meatball things.
Really good.
This pasta is really good too though.
I like the pasta.
Pasta is Leia's favorite. Pasta is really thick, and the meat sauce is not too overwhelming. It's a very balanced dish. I'm about to chow down on another pizza. Look at this, guys. It's like dripping in cheese. Actually, I think this pizza is my favorite. This pizza is really good. You know what? I like all the dishes. This pizza just has a really unique taste, just because it's so like cheesy and moist with oils. It's not your regular Pizza Hut pizza.
I would hope not. Wait, which one?
Just finished our meal, and I'm getting the homie Alex some salami, some charcuterie, because he likes to drink wine. I got the prosciutto farinini. Let's see if it's good. We also got some cheese. What is this? Honey wax.